Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. This is Rich Robin. I'm going to walk you through our larger, more commercial sized meat slinger 36. We refer to it as the MS36. We have got meat racks that are 32 inches wide, about 24 inches deep. That's big, huge racks, guys. There's 5 of them in this particular meat slinger. All right, they come standard with 4. This one has 5 in there. This is going in a concession trailer for a company out of Orange, Texas. Your overall dimensions are approximately 55 inches wide. That's handles included and hopper included as well. 55 wide, and you're around 29 inches deep from front to back. That's including the handles and the gauges on the front door. You've got a huge adjustable Birdhouse stack, Gator Pit stack. This one shows the 5 slides, standards 4 slides. There is a 11 gauge grease pan in there. There is an 11 gauge reinforced, both of the grease pan and the heat shield are reinforced so that, to prevent warping under heat. I haven't had any of my grease pans or my heat shields warped that I've been made aware of, and I've had several of these myself, and I've never had them warp on me. You get thinner than 11 gauge, and chances are they're going to be warping and twisting on you, and you can't fix it, right? You got to buy a new one. But if you buy a new one like that, they're just going to twist and warp on you again, right? You can buy these grease pans and these heat shields through Gator Pit. We do sell them, so contact us if you want to switch out your whatever heat shield you have and whatever brand you got cooker, and we can give you the let you know if this one's going to fit it or not. Anyway, let me get back to the meat slinger. I'm rambling now. We got dual gauges, Gator Pit commercial gauges, Gator Pit's stainless steel logo etched with GatorPit.net on it. Pretty cool there. Again, the Birdhouse stack. We have the Smoke Daddy Pellet Pro PID controller hopper, 35 pound with the stainless steel upgrades. You can see inside there it comes with a meat probe here as well, and instructions. It is a digital controller, LED light up. You've got your thermometer stem that goes inside here on the side wall to monitor and maintain your cooking temperature that you set it at. We've got stainless steel cool touch handles. These are not chrome plated. These are actually stainless steel handles. They don't rust, rot, or break, or peel like chrome handles will do or wood handles will do. And again, your 5 slides framed out. See that here. I'll push them off. Blows and grease pan. We now have a new design on our meat slingers and on our basically any of these pellet smokers that are going to go in a trailer, whether it be the meat slinger or if it would be the horizontal type Gator Pit pellet cookers, to where the heat shield, the grease pan we've designed, it locks in place. So the grease pan can't shift or move on you while it's traveling down the highway on a trailer or in the back of a trailer. The fire pot, we now have that where it locks in place as well, so it can't bounce out of place, so that you don't have to worry about when you get to your destination and want to fire your pit back up, having to remove your meat or you know, that heat fire pot bouncing out of the way and covering up and clogging up your fire pot down there. So we have now, this is the first one with that. We have now added that standard to any of these meat slingers that are going into a trailer. Okay, you can opt and get that on a standard meat slinger or pellet grill. You can add that feature to it if you want. It doesn't cost a whole lot. It's pretty cheap to do, but that is going to be included in these that we know for a fact are going on trailers. You got your heavy push-pull handles, 1/2 inch schedule 40 round bar or not round bar pipe with 1/4 inch thick mounts, all welded, heavy duty, man, heavy duty stuff. And you get door locks on the mobiles. They do come with door locks, so you can lock your door, so you don't have to worry about it opening up while you're traveling on accident. The box itself is 1/4 inch thick steel. It's all 1/4, heavy, thick plate. And of course, we have our flanging all the way around inside, 1/4 inch strip bars, 1/4 inch strip bars. I'll say that because a lot of the other guys, when they are doing drip bars, they're only using 1/8 inch on these big pits. And well, 1/8 inches, cheaper than 1/4 inch. Anyway, so our heavy duty casters, foot brakes, these are 6-inch commercial casters, all weather, don't crack, break or peel. I did a sledgehammer video of this, me beating the shit out of one in my parking lot here, hitting it like a golf ball, and it didn't even damage it, guys. Go look at that video, you'll find it's kind of funny actually. Me sitting out here slinging a sledgehammer on a caster, showing you how beefy our casters are. But our caster quality matches our cooker quality. Show you the back here. There is a 2-inch drain on here, guys. Oh, your pro port. There's a pro port, all right? That's for your meat thermometer to go in, stick it in your brisket, butts, whatever you got in there cooking. You want to put that meat thermometer in. There's a 2-inch drain down there as well. You see it there. That's 2-inch, not an inch, not an 1.5 inches. I go huge, I go large. So you don't have to worry about it clogging up on you. That grease pan is going to funnel all your juices if they don't burn up on the grease pan, because that grease pan is hot. So whatever hits that grease pan that doesn't burn off is going to roll and be forced out of that grease drain. There is and somebody may say, well, what happens, you know, how does it not go back into your fire pot area? It can't. There's a 45-degree angle in the grease pan that actually funnels it towards that grease drain down there. And then inside here, there's a lip in there that we welded in that contains any grease. So if you were to keep that drain closed, you still can't get grease back towards your fire pot area. It won't go back that way. It can't. It'll just pool there. But we always recommend opening that grease drain while you're cooking. Even on our offset smokers, any of our cookers, open that drain up, even if it's just 1/4 or 1/2. Let me close it up. Show you with the door closed. Beautiful pit, guys. Beautiful pit. We're talking 25 to 30 briskets. That's what it will do with 5 racks. No bull. And you can always add more slides. You can always add more racks. Again, it comes standard with 4. I would always opt to get the 5th rack in there. As y'all know, I have the 5th rack in my MS-24, the smaller version of this, because my porch wasn't big enough to allow this bigger cooker, depth-wise, from my back kitchen door to the back of the cooker. So from there to there, I didn't have enough room for this big monster to open up that door and make it convenient for me. So I went with the MS-24 model. And I still got 18 briskets in that one. As you can see, I cater, I cook. Right there. That is my newest concession trailer, now going on 2 years. There's my old one back there. Space shuttle's still pretty cool, ain't it? There's my Falcon. Love my Falcon. Anyway, you'll see this. We're going to put this on the website. It'll be the Meat Slinger 36 or MS36 model. I'll have more details on it in writing and a full description of what all it has and the capacity, what it can hold on your different cuts of meat, brisket, butts, ribs, chickens, etc. If anybody's looking for a nice mobile offset, Falcon is probably our biggest seller. The actual Falcon, for the price on the website, comes with a full storage bin that you can actually put stuff in. This one I rent, so we have just kind of an open area with a rail. Anyway, you'll see the video of that pit there. This video is mainly for this. I just got sidetracked. That's what I do. Gator Pit of Texas. Right here, Gator Pit of Texas. www.gatorpit.net. Yep, and we have been on all these TV shows, our stations or networks. Gator Pit's known worldwide for their designs, my designs, and our quality. We ship them all around the world. Interested in Gator Pit? Here's all my contact. And we do sell firewood. We can ship firewood, ship it by the pallets. We also have rubs, Gator Pit rubs, brisket, ribs, pork, chicken, Cajun seasoning. We got all that. You can order all that online. www.gatorpit.net. Give us a like on our video. Hit that bell or subscribe button. Hit that bell and get notices of new videos coming out. I do several videos a week, usually at least 1 a week, sometimes 2. There's over 400 videos on my channel. Go check it out. GatorPit.net. Ritch Robin, owner, founder, designer, painter. Yeah, there's my trash guys making all that racket. See ya. That's kind of hard to see, guys. 250. That one's reading 250. That one's reading 250. And that one's reading 250. Meat Slinger, guys. 36-inch tall upright. I've got more butts I'm putting on. I actually just put these on. I've got 5 more going on there. You want to close the door, son? I've got my PID set at 250, and the pit is running on 5 or 4 levels in there because I only got the 4 oven thermometers, but 4 grates on this 36-inch chamber, all reading 250. Okay, y'all look at these gauges now. Don't say, oh, they ain't 250. Well, that's because the door was open. But inside is where your accurate gauges are, and that is the Meat Slinger, guys, with our PID pellet. I'm gonna let these things cook all night. I'll wake up in the morning and I got pulled pork. See ya.